sigo enamorando, regalando, te jurando. Pregunté, mamita, ¿quieres? Ahora nos estamos alejando, no te estoy viendo, lo estoy volando.
Alright guys, we just received the CTS air intake system for the Volk. Let's see. Ta-da, ta-da. Ooh. 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 All right, guys, I'll show you the rest in a little bit, but yeah, buddy, we got some more airflow in here. Excited for the new sounds. All right, guys, so I got a little started on this. All right, guys, here you see I started to take it out because, you know, I'm holding it in one hand, but all right, we're gonna get this big air box out of the way and replace it for that new CTS turbo cold air intake. Let's go ahead and do the honors. Just removing this big old box. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Choo-choo-choo. Choo-choo. Choo-choo-choo. Got that clamp down there. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be looking great. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. All right, guys, so far I unboxed the intake. We got the air filter, clamper tins, we got the little air box, we got a pipe. So I'll get you back whenever this is together. All right, guys, so we got the shitter taken out, and look at this ghetto shit. But yeah, buddy, getting a little closer. I'm doing this by myself, so bear with me. I'm watching a YouTube video, doing a YouTube video, so bear with me. But we soon there, guys. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I installed the intake. The question is, does it work? Well, we shall see right now. This little POV traffic cut up, nothing crazy, not really cutting up, just my normal drive, but little morning drive to get some shit. So let's see what happens. Let's see what's up. If it's still recording. Should be still recording. I can't even see the reflection. Look at this. Lexus has joined the chat. It's a whole wood trail. This man is living a freaking trail. What's wrong with this dude? Look at this. Look at this. I don't know if the camera can see this, but look at this. Aw, damn it. This man literally got a whole bunch of shit coming out of here. Y'all gotta see this shit. I don't know, this man is off the Ronas right now. This man is gone. Look at this shit, man. That shit just flying off. On the road. That shit can fuck around. I don't think no fire. I don't want none of that shit to hit me. Look at this shit. They're like, yeah, we just gonna let it fly out while we drive. Angry Bird. Boy's trying to catch up to me. Delete the footage now! Delete it now! Face ass. You okay, baby? Doggy, get out the road. You okay? You okay? Hey! Get out the road! We in Lake Alfred, man. Somebody come get their dog.
But I'm coming back, like I never lived. Don't blame nobody for being broke, put it on yourself. You 30 and still ain't never blow, put it on the shelf. I hope you pussy niggas stay afloat, cause when I hop up in that water, I turn to Michael Phelps. I'm a shark. I ain't got